So hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to fix one of the most frustrating Chrome errors, the very famous your connection is not private and gives you that net error, whatever. Well, it's simple, and this fix or bypass isn't going to have to do with anything that has to do with what's it called, clearing your cache or anything like that, or any SSL clearance that you have to do. Now it's pretty straightforward, so I won't take your time. So let's, for example, we're showing it here. Let's just search in the browser. Let's say we search for live score, and I type in live score. It's going to show me error. So all you have to do is just type "this is unsafe," no spaces, just "this is unsafe." So I'm going to type that right now. This is unsafe. So you see, it loads up pretty easy. So what this does is it just bypasses the error and gets you to whatever search you're trying to make. Let's say we search for something else. Let's say we search for crystal. I already tried doing that earlier on. See, it's automatically going to save, so meaning for everything we're going to try to search now, the problem is fixed already, no stress. So right now you don't need to do anything extra. Everything is like, it's all good now, you're good to go. So that's the fix. I know there are a couple of YouTube channels that we need to do this, do that, but this is the very simple fix. And what I mean is, all you do is you know when it pops up, you don't have to do anything. Just type "this is unsafe." You're not searching anywhere. Your screen just the way it is. You leave your cursor where it is. Don't type. Just type "this is unsafe." No spaces. That's all you have to do. You don't even have to hit enter. Just "this is unsafe," and it's going to just open up the page for you, and your problem is fixed. So this problem could be as a result of maybe your date and time is wrong, or your SSL is broken, or IPv6 maybe misroutes the Google traffic, or even a VPN or an antivirus intercepting the HTTPS. But either way, this fix just bypasses and fixes everything. So that'll be all guys. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.